for Apogee being a real customer first company, is so important, is that knowledge that we continue to invest and develop our talent, ensuring that the great service we deliver today will continue for the next generation.
The apprenticeship scheme is running for 2 years. The students attend Lincoln College every 6 weeks to gain an electrical qualification level 3. On a day-to-day basis, the apprentices are shadowing engineers. These are field engineers, experienced engineers that are attending different customer sites. So they're getting first-hand experience.
As we need to do more things, as we need to do new things, that comfort with change and technology as a principle has been something that we've been benefiting from to serve our clients as well.
I've come from a background where I studied at Lincoln UTC, so I've done a lot of engineering and a bit of electronics. I think someone should apply if they're wanting to further their experience and get a better understanding of the world around them, including electronics. With the world sort of moving especially heavily towards electronics, especially with AI, a lot of people will be needed for repairs. The company has put us in so many departments and so many different areas that we've sort of been able to get a good feel on how each part of the business affects each other.
It's great working with the apprentices, and every week I touch base with them. I hear different stories from them, what they've achieved, the experiences they've had, meeting customers, faults they fixed. I'm feeling quite proud of them, really.
I would certainly say go for it. You've got nothing to lose. You're working with great people, and there's a positive outlook at the end of it.